Earth undoubtedly is the best planet for life to exist. However, it would be an exciting thing to find a new home. Let's explore the challenges to becoming a multi-planet species.
Galactic cosmic radiations. These are a bunch of subatomic particles moving at speeds close to the speed of light. They are continuously deflected by the Earth's magnetic field. They can be leftovers of galactic events like supernovas and can also be emitted by the sun's corona, which is the atmosphere of the sun. Now, let's look at it in another way. Say you have a few billion footballs and they're all shot at very high speeds at the same time. And at the other end, you have this invincible goalkeeper who simply deflects all your balls just like the son of Thanos no matter how hard you hit. And now, making these balls a few trillion times smaller will give you the particles from the GCR. And at the other end, simply replace the goalkeeper with the Earth's magnetic field. And there you go, simple enough. This is what causes aurora. The GCRs are lethal. They can alter the DNA and even cause cancer. Scientists say that Mars could have hosted life about 4 billion years ago when Mars was still an infant. Both Mars and Earth had similar molten cores. These molten cores helped them generate a magnetic field which helped them to shield themselves against the GCRs. At this time, the entire northern hemisphere was a giant ocean and the south was mostly land. This explains the enormous volcanic structures in the south.
This works on something called the dynamo effect. But Mars is small. This led to faster cooling of its core, causing it to solidify, thus ceasing the dynamo effect. This triggered the action of solar winds and the escape of ions, eventually stripping the planet of its atmosphere. This was the past. Now let's look at the present. To survive on Mars, we need water, air, good climate, and plants. For this, we could create artificial solutions. But let's create our own atmosphere. How can we even do that? Let's explore.
First, we could launch a huge magnet into the space and make it revolve around Mars. This can create an artificial magnetic field. Second, we could bomb the planet. The idea is pretty simple. The heat might release a few greenhouse gases, and this can help us trap heat from the sun in the future. Third, we can launch huge mirrors and literally fry the planet. Fourth, we could direct asteroids towards Mars. This could activate the molten core on impact. This probably could have also contributed in the deactivating of the core.
But is Mars the only possibility? Proxima b, an exoplanet revolving around the star Proxima Centauri, could be another possibility. But for now, we do not know enough about the planet and we do not have the tech to travel that far. But soon, we may be traveling in style, just like the Guardians of Galaxy.